Good morning, my dear students. In the last class, I discussed different topics related to Liber Calc. Today, I will be discussing some new topic in Calc. So, first of all, I'm going to LibreOffice. I will go and select seat. Now, here already one seat I am having, so I will open that seat. This file already I created. Okay, now students, my first part, that is how to use orientation. Okay, so for doing this, you must have to go to file, click on print. By default it is automatic. It will set how the your data is going to be printed. It will be decided automatically by your application software. By default it is portrait. Okay, now I want to know my datas which are having the width more as compared to the height of the seat. In that case, I will go for landscape. So I'm going to choose here landscape. Just you see the preview. You can see the preview, my dear. Measurement, you can see. Yes, it is 297 mm. That is your width, and height is 210 mm. In this, your width value is more as compared to height. But if I will choose here portrait, just it will be chance. You see, height it is showing 297, but width it is showing 200. It is up to you how you are going to set your seat. Okay, set your pace, my dear. Okay, now the next one is your function. Students, function plays a vital role in a scene. It makes our work easier. Like, if suppose I have to find out the total, then in this cell I will use equal sum. From which one? You have to define the first cell. My first cell is B2 and the last cell is D2. So it shows that 23, 14, and 14, that three values are going to be added. See, it has come 51. Now, as I have four, students more, but suppose I have 100 students left and I have to apply the same formula to every cell in total, my dear, in column total. Then I will use copy and I will drag the rest cell where the formula to be pasted, and I will use paste. Students, you can do by other way also. You just go to the field handle, okay, a plus sign, and drag it. This way also you can get the total. You have many functions like max. I want to know that who has got the, yes, Ravi has got maximum marks in which subject. For doing this, I will use max function. Here I will define the range of cells from B2 to D2. Your maximum is 23. It will show 23. Same way minimum, same way average. Now one function which is very, very important, my dear. Yes, which will check or which will compare. Okay, and as per that, Yes, I'm going to discuss if function. Using this, you can compare the two cells. And as per that, you can give the remarks. Okay. Like I'm going to check. I'm going to check C and D column. So I'm going to use if function. Okay. Now, what is my cell C2? If C2 equal to D2, I'm comparing these two cells, my dear. This one and this one. Okay. And as per that, if it is compared, then I will give remark. Yes, what? Yes, uh, values are equal. Both values are equal. And if not, then both values are different. This is the message I have to pass. So after doing this, I will use comma. Okay. And here I will give a message. If both the values are matched, then I will write here values are same. Okay. And if not, then values are different. Now, you see, both the cell values are going to be compared. Okay. And as per that, decision will be taken. Now I'm going to press. Now you see, as 14, 14, both are same. Yes, you can see these both values are same. That's why it is showing values are same. But in the second one, you can see 16 and 24, both are not same. It means it will show values are different. Let me check it. I will take this cell and copy and paste in red cells. Now you can see in all the cells, it is showing values are different because both are not matched. Okay. So if function is very important in, yes, calc. Okay. So using this, you can compare, you can check whatever you want to do it. That all activity you can do by the help of if function. Apart from if, you have max, mean, count, average. Okay. Many functions. Now students, now I am going to discuss how to sort your data. Data can be sorted by two ways, either ascending or descending. So for doing this, you must have to select the range of cells. Okay. And after that, you have to go to data, this menu. There you have the sort option. Okay. The dialog box will come. Now, you can do sorting on multiple fields or on a single field. Now, suppose I am going to sort my data in name field. Okay. And that will be ascending. Okay. Okay. Now you see my data has been sorted. Yes. As per the name field. Okay. In which way? In the ascending way. But there is one problem. You can see, my dear, Ravi and Ravi both are what? Having the same name, but marks are different. So I have to, yes, make this one unique. Okay. And out of this both, Ravi, who has got the minimum value, that should be given a priority. You see, I'm going to compare this in Hindi. Okay. In Hindi, first Ravi got 23 and second Ravi has got 15. But my, yes, expectation, as per that, the data has not been shown. It has to show 15 before and 23 later on. So in that case, first field you have done this one in ascending order. Then in name field, you have to, sorry, in the Hindi field, you have to sort your data in ascending order so that 15 will come before and 23 will come later on. Just you check it. I have selected this. Now I'm going to data. Now I'm going to do sort. Yes, already name ascending. Now, the second field, that is Hindi. In Hindi, I want my data to be sorted. Listen, don't think that where your data is a match in the first field, only in that it will work. Don't think that in all the cells it will work. Okay. Now here I have selected Hindi and Hindi as ascending. Now you watch it carefully. Ravi 15 will come, yes, before, and Ravi 23 will come later. You see, as it come, you watch it. It has come. You watch it. Earlier, this 23 was showing here, and this 15 was showing here. Okay, but totally it has been changed. Okay, so this is the use of sorting. Sorting can be done on, yes, alphabets, or it can be done on values. Okay, now let me delete this all. Okay, now the next one is data validation. Data validation means to validate your data. Okay, that means I have to fill the marks of students, and that marks should be, yes, between from 0 to 40. Okay, so in that case I must have to define myself. Suppose here I have written Meera, Satish, these two names. Okay, but my datas of these two names, yes, should not be more than 40. It will be from 0 to 40. So first of all, you have to select only these cells where you have to take the action. Okay. And after doing this, you have to go to data. And now you have to click on validity. Now, see, this dialog box has come. Now, first of all, this box you must have to check it. Otherwise, that message is not going to be displayed either while writing or doing error. Okay, so I must select it. First one is the criteria. Okay, what is your criteria? Okay, I will select the whole number. Yes, it should be less than or equal to 40. Okay, that is 0 to 40. Now, next tab is input. Okay, when you are fitting the data, before that, it should flash a message. Okay, please enter the given range. Okay, and here what the range? 0 to 40. When you will be writing, before that it will flash the message. Okay, this also I will check it. Now, error alert. Suppose a person who has written 41, at that time error report to be generated. So here I will write title, wrong. Your values are not between, not less than 40. Now I'm going to click on OK. Now watch it. I'm going to fill this first. Now, any message is flashing here? You see, please enter the given. It is instructing me, don't give value more than 40. So I will give here as per that range. That is 23. Taken. Now, second one, I'm not going to use 40. I'm going to use 45. See. Now, it is allowed, but when I will go to the next cell, it will warn me. See what the warning it is giving. Yes, I have given the title wrong. It is showing here wrong. And what the message I have written, your values are not less than 40. It is showing that the marks that you have entered, it is not as per that range. Okay. I hope you have understood this topic also. This is your data validation. So you validate your data. You don't write the marks and then validate it. It is wrong, my dear. First you have to apply in, yes, the empty cells, this is a validation, and then work it. Okay, let me. Students, now I am going to discuss conditional formatting. For doing this, you must have to select range of cells on which you want to apply the condition. After selecting the range of cells, you have to go to format, click on condition. Now when you will click on condition, here it will ask what you are going to, yes, where you are going to apply the condition. Obviously it should be on value, so I will click on cell value. Here I want less than 20, only those values to be highlighted. Okay, now click on apply style. Here you set new style. Now there are many tabs. Either you want to increase the height of the height of the cell by increasing the cell values, or you can change the background color. I'm going to change the background color. So for that, I will set background color. Now, those which will be less than 20, that should have the background cell as yellow. Okay. After doing this, yes, it should be clicked on OK button. Now, after that, again click on OK button. Now you can watch it there in your C. See, the values which are less than 20 have been highlighted with background color as yellow. All are less than 20. Same way, you can set to other values. Like, suppose you have been instructed that those who have got less than 90%, that should be in yellow color, and more than 90 that will be in green color. You can differentiate those values. Okay, it is up to you. Maybe you have been given different range, that 60 to 70 red color, yes, 50 to, yes, 69, yes, that will be in yellow color. Okay, yes, then yes, 30 to 40, that will be in pink color. Whatever, yes, you want to do it, that you can, yes, do here in C. Okay, now next part, that is to protect the C. Okay, so that there should be no any changing in the values. Okay, so for doing this, you must have to go to tools. There you have protect it. Click on protect it. Now, students, you are going to protect, it means you have to give the password, so that if later on, if there is any modification in your, yes, see, yes, that you can do by giving the password to unprotect it. Okay, so don't forget the password. Okay, I'm going to give the password as 12345. Same password you have to fill here. Now there you have different options. Okay, I want that when my city is protected, I can insert my column. Okay, now you see, when I will click on OK, now I will try to change the value, I cannot. You see, I gone here. Now what it is showing, it is showing that protected cells cannot be modified. I cannot do anything because my seat has been protected, but I can insert. Okay, Now you click the right mouse button and insert. Is it inserted? Because I have given freedom that user can insert the column. Okay. I hope all the topics which I discuss that is clear to you. Thanks a lot.